Including children, were killed in a massive fire that broke out at a gaming zone in Gujarat's Rajkot. The blaze erupted at a temporary structure, the TRP game zone, and the victims were present at the spot in large numbers. The state government has constituted a probe team to ascertain whether the game zone had the necessary licenses from the authorities. After the incident, the DGP has also been directed to launch an inspection of all play zones across the state and shut down those without an NOC from the fire department. The Home Minister as well as the Chief Minister visited the fire site as well as the hospital and interacted with those who have been injured in the tragedy as well as the families of those deceased. Now, the two people, including the owner and the manager of the TRP game zone of Rajkot, have been arrested after interrogation, is what we're learning. My colleague Paras joins us with more details. Paras, take us through the latest coming in. We of course know that the Home Minister as well as the CM had reached the fire site and also interacted with people at the hospital.
Yes, rightly said. The CM of Gujarat, Bhupendra Patel, and the Home Minister of Gujarat, Harsh Sanghvi, reached the spot where this whole incident happened and took the inspection and done an inspection over there. After that, both reached the hospital where there are many injured are admitted over there. So over there, CM also interacted with the people. But the main thing which comes in the light in this entire situation is that SIT special investigation team has been formed by the state government to investigate into this whole matter, and there are major points which has come in light is that the place, the TRP gaming zone was not having the fire license. So SIT team is still probing on it. So there are many things which have to be unlocked by the SIT team. Right now, the death toll is 27. There are many which are injured and are admitted in the hospital. So possibly SIT team is continuously probing into this whole matter since last night. Rescue operation is still on. Still, the NDRF teams and fire brigade teams are on the spot, and they are trying to find out if anyone is still alive inside this whole massive fire breakdown where the incident took place.
Right. Thank you for bringing us those details on the story, Paras. As we continue tracking the developments for you, listen in to what officials had to say.
The gaming zone is owned by a person called Yuvraj Singh Solanki. We will be registering an offence for negligence and the deaths which have occurred. The further investigation will take once we complete the rescue operations here.
ये बहुत कमनसीब और बहुत दुखद घटना हुई है। उसकी पूरी इंक्वायरी के लिए एक सीट जो बनाई है उसमें हमारे साथ डायरेक्टर FSL संघवी साहब, मैं, फायर के कुछ ऑफिसर्स, उन सबकी एक सीट है जो अभी शुरू से काम करेगी। किस डिपार्टमेंट में क्या क्या किया गया है उसकी पूरी तहकीकात होगी।
आज राजकोट में बहुत दुखद घटना घटी हुई है। राजकोट के इतिहास में ऐसा पहली बार हुआ है कि ये गेम जोन में आज आग लगने की वजह से आज बहुत गंभीर लोगों की, बच्चों की जान गंवाई है और अभी फायर ब्रिगेड की टीम ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोगों को रेस्क्यू कर सके और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोगों को बचा सके, इस तरह की कार्यवाही चल रही है। जिस लोगों ने ये घटना घटे उसमें जो भी उन्होंने बेदरकारी दिखाई है उसके सामने सरकार जरूर योग्य निर्णय लेके उसके सामने जरूर से कार्यवाही करेंगी।